Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set your status on the Gmail application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 100,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that you should click on the menu icon in the upper left corner of the screen, and here at the top you have the status option. As you can see now it is active, but as you tap on this arrow pointing downwards you can select from two other options: do not disturb, which will mute notifications. Here you can set the time ranging from 30 minutes to 8 hours, but you can also set up or customize this time by clicking on the until a specific time button. You can select the date and the time as well down below, then click on the set button. As you go back you can also add your own status by clicking on the add a status button. So here you can write your own status, but you have some recommendations here as well. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.